Welcome to this meditation for beginners. It's wonderful that you are here. Meditation is a very important tool to use in our lives to keep us centered and balanced. Meditation is a practice, and the best part is you cannot do it wrong. Today we will practice a very simple form of meditation, one that can be done anytime, anywhere. Begin by sitting in a position that is comfortable for you. Taking a moment to focus on your spine. We often have a tendency to sit hunched over, especially when we use electronics. Meditation is a great time to retrain ourselves to sit up straight, tall, and proud. Let your palms rest gently in your lap facing downwards. And whenever you're ready, just softly close your eyes if that is comfortable for you. If it's not, you can just let your gaze rest gently on the floor. Begin to bring your awareness to your breathing without trying to judge it or change it. Just let yourself notice how you are currently breathing. What muscles do you use when you breathe? Where does the air go when it flows in? How does it feel as it exits out? Anytime you find your mind wandering, know that that's perfectly okay. Just return your awareness to your breath, letting yourself be curious. How is my breath flowing in and out of my body? And on your next inhale, intentionally breathe through your nose, feeling your stomach and chest expand. And exhale through your mouth, feeling your stomach and chest contract. Continue this cycle, breathing in through your nose as your stomach and chest rises, and exhaling through your mouth as your stomach and chest fall. As you let yourself be intentional with how you breathe, it gives your mind something to hold on to, something to focus on. Let yourself be fully present with this breath, noticing the coolness of the air flowing in through your nose, and the freedom you experience as you release it through your mouth. Letting yourself use this breath whenever a thought emerges to retrain your focus on the present moment. It's okay if thoughts emerge. Just let them drift by without clinging on to them, returning your focus on your breath. You are doing a great job staying present with your breath. Even if your mind wanders the entire time, it's like flexing a muscle. It'll get bigger every time you practice this exercise. It'll be easier and easier to focus on your breath. On your next inhale, breathe in extra deep and hold your breath at the top. When you're ready, exhale with a long, audible sigh, letting your shoulders roll, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes back to the room around you. Great job practicing this very simple form of meditation. Anytime you find yourself worrying about the past or the future, just return to your breath. Peace is always in the present moment.